Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Saturday. Yes, Saturday, July the 3rd, 2021. We have here 2 Sudokus or puzzles left. Tectonic with 4 stars and a binary puzzle. But first, we will solve this baby. This one will be number 3044. All right. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a column or in a row, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. All right, so let's get started. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Double O here, 1, there, 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1 here, no, there, no. No. Double O here, 1, there, 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double O here, 1, there, 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Now we have 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Then 1, 2, 3, 3 1s. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allow one of the rules, so this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. We have now 4 1s in this column, so the rest are O's. Then between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. Double O here, 1, there, 1. Alright. Then I think we need to compare. Yeah. Alright. No. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 1s in this column, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1, there, 1. 4 1s we have, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 1s in this row, so the rest are O's. Okay. Need to compare. And we have here 101. 101, no. 101 here. No. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 1s, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Okay. Double 1 O. This column and that column. O, 1, empty box, O, 1. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O there, this should be a 1. Now we have 4 O's in this row, so the rest are 1s. Here we have 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Finish in 4 minutes. All right. Great binary puzzle. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the last puzzle of today. It will be a tectonic with 4 stars. See you then. Bye bye for now.